नमस्ते योगीज। मैं श्वेता कंटारिया, योग एक्सपर्ट और द योगा एंड मोर की फाउंडर। योग यात्रा की तीसरी श्रृंखला में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे सूर्य नमस्कार की। मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि मुझे मिलने वाले सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये वीडियो मैंने इंग्लिश में बनाया है, बट कुछ दर्शकों की जानकारी के लिए मैं हिंदी में नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन भी देने वाली हूँ, तो आप उसको भी रेफर कर सकते हैं।
The one brilliant, magnificent sun, nourisher and sustainer, source of all life, the eliminator of all things, I offer my obeisance. May the divine energy, strength, and wisdom be imparted unto me. Surya Namaskar is a technique of visualization via solar energy. Invocation and worship of sun was one of the first and one of the most natural forms of expression of gratitude. Sun worship is still practiced as a daily rituals in many parts of India, as it is the most powerful source of energy. Surya Namaskar is a series of 12 different physical movements. These movements consist of alternate backward and forward bending of asanas, thereby flexing and stretching the spinal column and limbs to their maximum capacity. It massages, tones, stretches, and stimulates all the muscles and vital organs of the body. It also loosens up all the joints, activates the respiratory and circulatory systems, as well as helps all other systems of the body to function optimally. It harmonizes the whole body-mind complex. Surya Namaskar should not be performed if a person is having serious cardiac problem, high blood pressure, vertigo, abdominal inflammation, slip disc, sciatica, or any structural problems. Thank you. Now I'll show you all 12 asanas included in Surya Namaskar. Sthit Prarthanasana. Begin by standing straight on the front of your mat with the hands at the sides. Bring palms in Namaste position and place them in front of your chest. Relax the body, maintain normal breathing and stay for 3 seconds. Hasta Uttanasana. Inhaling, raise both your arms, bend backwards. Keep your arms close to your ears with your palms facing front. Maintain the position for 3 seconds. Hasta Padasana. Exhaling, bend forward, hold your shin bone, keeping your legs straight. Try to touch the forehead to the knees. Suspend the breath for 3 seconds. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Keep both your hands fixed on the floor. Inhaling, extend your right leg backward as far as possible. Your right toes should touch the floor. Arc the spine, look upwards and balance the body. Hold the breath for 3 seconds. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhaling, bring the left foot beside the right. Simultaneously raise the hips and lower the head between the arms so that the body forms an inverted V. Keeping the legs and arms straight, press the heels towards the floor and push the head lower. Sustain the posture for 3 seconds. Ashtang Namaskar Asana. Retaining the breath, bend and touch the knees to the floor. Bring the chin and chest to the floor, keeping the hips elevated. Hold the posture for 3 seconds. The hands, chin, chest, knees and toes touch the floor and the spine is arched. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhaling, lower your hips to the ground. Simultaneously straighten your arms and raise your head to look up. Arc your back. Check that your legs, knees and toes remain together. Keep your arms and legs straight and stay in this posture for 3 seconds. Adho Mukha Svanasana. While exhaling from the Bhujangasana position, raise the hips upwards and push the head downwards and inwards to form an inverted V. Remain in this posture for 3 seconds while retaining your breath. Ashwa Sanchalan Asan. Keeping both the hands fixed, inhaling, bring your right leg forward, placing the foot near the inside of your right hand. Simultaneously arc your spine, look up and keep your arms straight. Hold the position for 3 seconds, retaining your breath. Hasta Padasana. Exhaling, bring your left foot forward next to your right foot. Straighten the legs, holding your shin bone. Try to touch your forehead to your knees and remain in this position for 3 seconds, suspending your breath. Hasta Uttanasana. While inhaling, making sure that your head is held in between your arms, raise your arms and torso upwards. Hold the position for 3 seconds, retaining your breath. Sthita Prarthanasana. While exhaling in a sweeping arc, bring your hands together in Namaste position at your chest. Remain in this position for 3 seconds. Repeat all the 12 asanas with your left leg to complete one round of Surya Namaskar. Some of the key benefits of Surya Namaskar are: it influences the health of your entire body and mind by stimulating and improving all the organs. It strengthens your neck, shoulders, arms, wrists, fingers, back, stomach, waist, abdomen, intestine, thighs, calves, and ankles. It reduces the redundant fat in your body. It helps overcome various diseases linked to the digestive, respiratory, circulatory, and endocrine system. It increases the power of concentration, optimism, emotional strength, and self-confidence.